Wires and cables has always grown stronger by rapidly converting opportunities into business. Servicing clients across many countries, the company has industry stalwarts who rely on them for their cabling requirements. Suzlon Energy, Gale India, Larsen & Toubro, Power Grid Corporation, SR, Tata Steel, IOCL, HPCL, BHEL, NTPC, SAIL, Indian Railways and various other entities involved in power generation, transmission and distribution utilities. The company carefully nurtures relationships by executing perfection and ensuring timely delivery. Our committed client servicing is vindicated by record repeat orders received year after year. The legacy of KEI Industries Limited is backed by its powerful strategies, which have evolved stronger since its inception.
For years, KEI has been leading the market position in certain sectors of the economy. The steep rise in our revenues reflects growing confidence of our customers in our products, in building modern energy-efficient power networks, continuously focused on building up infrastructure for improvement in our operational performance and management of key projects are clearly showing up in our earnings.
KEI, an empire made of leaders. Having laid the strong foundation of the company in late 60s in New Delhi, the company now owns 4 state-of-the-art robust manufacturing units at New Delhi, Bhiwadi, Chowpanki and Silvassa. Brains behind KEI's strong foundation understand the use of innovative manufacturing processes and latest technology to deliver superior quality and cost-effective cables and wires. All the production facilities are fully equipped with heavy-duty machines